Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Spanish for Kiddos podcast, where you can listen to fun bilingual stories and more. My name is Barbara. I'm the owner of Spanish for Kiddos, and I am the host of your show today. And today I want to share a fun story about apples and bilingual sight words, manzanas y palabras frecuentes bilingües. I think it's a fun way to introduce bilingual sight words if you are starting to use those or somewhere in your text or in your informational text or books that you are reading, and how to use these sight words so they are not overwhelming. Let's go ahead and get started. There are 5 apples in the orchard. Hay 5 manzanas en la huerta. I find apples to eat. They are delicious. Yo encuentro manzanas para comer. Están deliciosas. I see an apple tree. Yo veo un árbol de manzana. I see a big apple. Yo veo una gran manzana. I see a small apple. Yo veo una manzana pequeña. The end. El fin. And then at the end of this cute little story, there are other ways that you can actually use these Spanish sight words. It's got a little orchard basket, if you will. If you've ever been apple picking, you probably have a basket with you. Or if you've been strawberry picking also as well, it's something similar as that. But you should have a basket. So what you have here is just a collection of apples with the sight words there in English and Spanish. And one of the things you can do is actually collect these sight words as you are seeing them or as you're matching them up and fill your basket. And that's the fun part of learning these words, is not only just to identify them in your text or in whatever reading you might have, but also to identify them in English and in Spanish. So some of the words that you have in this free set that is available at our Spanish for Kiddos blog, for instance, is caja, box, 5, 5, dedo, finger, 2, 2, rojo, red, grande, big, gato, cat, manzana, apple, pequeño, little, perro, dog. So then those are very simple words that not only are just part of the Spanish sight words that you might encounter, but you actually do see those, and that's why they are frequent words. There are sight words that you see them often enough in the text of children's textbooks, stories, dual language textbooks, informational text. And so as they become more and more familiar with those words, it's going to become easier and easier for them to actually read more complex sentences, not just very simple 1 to 2 syllables to 3 syllables words there, but actually find more interesting readings such as in science, math, and social studies, and of course other fun stories that you can read as well. So I hope you enjoyed this story and fun strategies that you can use in your classroom or in your homeschool group. Make sure you find other fun stories at our SpanishForKiddos.com blog that you can use every day or whenever you want to learn Spanish, and of course find other fun strategies there as well. Join me next time as I read another fun bilingual story in English and Spanish. Thank you so much for listening to the Spanish podcast, and I hope that we listen to another story soon. Bye-bye.